everybody today. We're making a mango shake with Daddy, Mommy, and me.
Good morning and welcome from the Philippines. We're on Negros Oriental in Valencia and it's mango smoothie time. Let's get started. And today I'm going to add my nutritional yeast. And last time I did not do that for you guys, but I'm going to do it this time.
Okay, all the mangoes in.
That's right, 4 mangoes. How about 2 little bananas?
My favorite fruit.
How about some milk, Bria?
Yeah.
How about we fill this up and just cover all this with some milk? You know, just put enough to just cover it, okay? How about a little more? Like that? Is that good? This could be a big batch. That's good. It's about 1.5 cups of milk. How about what's next, Bria?
What's next?
How about my nutritional yeast?
All the banana, my favorite fruit. I hope you can even have one mango. This. One touch.
At least 1.5 cups. All right, let's go. Ready, Bria? Pick your straw.
I'm picking this orange one because my favorite color
Bria
is...
doesn't drink too much of this.
I'm doing the orange because my favorite color is orange. That's my favorite color.
Here you go, Bria. Hold on a second. Wait for Daddy, though.
Daddy is gonna be so much. Dad, why do you have so much? Why do you have so much?
I'll take blue. Okay, let's go talk about our expenses for November 2018. We didn't add any honey at all this time. No sweetener added to it, and it's sweet enough.
Yeah, it's very good, really sweet.
I really like that nutritional yeast that I put into it, and I want Marisa to read some of the ingredients and the daily percentages that you need, or that's in these. It far exceeds the daily requirements, so go ahead and read some of them.
Thiamine, 820%, riboflavin, 720%, niacin, 370%, vitamin B6, 700%, folic acid, 225%, vitamin B12, 500%, biotin, 300%, pantothenic acid, 15%, calcium 1%, iron 4%, phosphorus 20%, magnesium 6%, zinc 25%, selenium 40%, copper 8%, manganese 6%, molybdenum 107%, chloride 2%.
We're using this in place of the traditional vitamins that they give you at the doctors for prenatal for the baby. We've been using our vitamins. These are much better, I think, and they're natural, totally natural. You know, nutritional yeast. The product they sell is not natural, so we're sticking with ours, and I think it's far superior. So that's what we're doing with the baby. And how is the baby, by the way?
The baby is really good right now, kicking every minute.
And growing good. And there's another baby right in there, but she's a big girl now, Brianna.
Hi, everybody.
Hey, hey, how you doing, girl? Did you enjoy your little mango shake?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, we're going to talk about the monthly expenses for November. Here it's December 7th.
Yeah.
This comes out for us every December or every 6th of the month. That's when our bill and all
Yes, and they're gonna
items are in there listed. So we're going to go ahead and talk about that.
All right. You're gonna go to your room so that we can finish the video.
Yeah, but I'm
Because you're
gonna.
so wiggling over here.
Yeah, but I'm gonna name the baby finger.
Okay, we talk about later. Go.
Baby finger.
Let's get started on a couple of the line items here. The rent is 28,000 pesos per month, which is about $560, a little bit less with the exchange rate. The utilities, 3,468, and that's about $65, $67, I think. I'll put it down here just to verify.
Yeah.
Water bill is set at $250 a month. The internet is $12.50 a month. Cable TV is $410. Laundry. Have a lot of laundry. That's 210 pesos, 200 pesos, 175, 300, 170. We did a lot of loads of laundry, so
Yeah.
that added into that quite a bit, and we got plenty of mineral water. So the total there is 35,098. So it worked out pretty well, very affordable. Didn't feel
Not bad.
stressed about it. It was very nice.
Yeah, that was very nice.
And this time of year it cools down a little bit. It's been cool for the last couple of months, and we haven't been to the dive resorts because the weather's been rainy.
Rainy almost every day.
Yeah, rainy, kind of gloomy. It's still okay to go over there.
Oh yeah, it's
always
still
warm, but we've been putting that off. We're gonna do it though. We're gonna
One
go
of
pretty
this day,
quick
yeah.
here. Well, pretty quick. We're gonna be at the beach again, even if it rains. I mean, that's happened
It's
before.
nice
anyway.
also to go even if it's raining. It's Filipinos' favorite because not so hot.
Yeah, we've been doing baby stuff, preparation stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we've
looking
been busy.
at hospital options because I mentioned the earlier video, last one I think it might have been, that the hospital at Suleiman won't allow the husband to be in the room during the birth. So I thought that was very uncool. I never heard that before in my life.
Yeah.
I can't think of another hospital that has that rule. So
I don't know what's the reason why they don't allow the husband. You know?
maybe they don't want witnesses. Maybe they had one bad experience. I don't know.
Especially with the camera.
Yeah, they don't want one guy. No, they don't want anybody. They have a policy, no one's allowed. So I've got to talk to the superintendent or administrator, whoever it is over there, see if I can get an exception on it. Or if we may have the baby birth at another hospital. There's another one that the OBGYN said would be probably ready to go by the time March 15th comes around for the baby's delivery. You're going to be delivering the baby.
Oh yeah.
Doctors don't deliver babies, by the way. They just catch babies.
Yeah, mom is the one who delivers
Mom
the baby.
delivers the baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, except sometimes if it's an emergency.
Oh yeah, if it's emergency.
But only 3% of the time it really is an emergency. So a lot of times doctors get in the way and they cause a lot of problems. We've studied some interesting history on that, you guys. I don't know if you've ever gotten into it, but in early American history it was pretty dreadful what things that doctors did and were responsible for. But anyway, we'll save that for another video. But that's why we're going to keep more of a personal approach on the whole thing. So we've been kind of busy with that kind of stuff.
Yeah, baby's thing, everything.
And there's another thing we've been dealing with, a reaction that Brianna's been having to her iPad. And the more we looked into it, the more we found that it's becoming a very big problem with kids and their iPads. So you want to share that one?
Well, Brianna, she has her own iPad, and that time she uploaded the game Roblox, and her behavior changed everything. Like she kind of angry, and changed everything after she uploaded Roblox. And all of a sudden, on that day, the same day that she uploaded the game, she's watching it for like an hour. You know, she's playing the games, and all of a sudden, when she come out, her eyes is blinking like crazy. So when I look at it, God, I feel so guilty. I look at her eyes keep blinking and really bad. So I have to grab the iPad, delete the game, and hide the iPad for a week, and I don't even let her watch anymore. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a really intense game, and it engages the children. But then it really captivates them, and they get really involved in winning. I guess it's a competition in the thing, roadblocks, and she gets really angry if she can't win.
Yeah.
So yeah, a lot of parents have been complaining about it, and that and other games too. It's too much time, and there's something medically that happens, or physically that happens to a child in their eye, and the damage it can do. Their eyes are not developed yet, and it's hard on them, so that causes a lot of behavioral issues like blinking and going like this, squinting and blinking.
Yeah, really bad.
Yeah, or making or having tics. So we immediately stopped that. So it has been a whole week since Brianna's been on her iPad.
Right now, her eyes feel. I mean, it's really good right now. It's not blinking like whole day. Yesterday she's not blinking. The other day she's not blinking. But in the morning when she wake up, a little blink. But it's really better than the rest few days. It's really bad.
Right. We found out when she starts getting really stressed or excited about something, she'll blink and start blinking a little bit. So it's going to take time to get over that. So. And
also the iPad, I put password right now. Like if she wants to upload games, she cannot upload anymore because of the password that I put in. That time I did not put the password, so that was my fault. She automatic upload the game without the password.
She knows how to do all that, huh?
She knows how to do it. So I was so mad at that time because she's angry when she's playing the Roblox, because that game is kind of crazy. Because Brianna, she don't know Donald Trump, and when she come out, she keeps saying, Donald Trump, Donald Trump.
Oh, because they demonize. I think is he the bad guy in the thing?
Donald Trump is the bad guy.
Oh, look at how they're trying to brainwash our children already through little innocent games, right? But they're not so innocent. They're making Donald Trump the bad guy in this this game, like the evil empire dude.
Yeah, she come out in the room and she keeps saying Donald Trump fall out in the city. I say, what? What are you talking about? So I checked the games. Oh my God, I saw Donald Trump and there's a bad guy. So I have to delete everything. And now she cannot watch.
Everything's politicized these days, you know. And we had another comment last week about where we're going to put Brianna into school. Well, we've been looking around at schools around here, and we're definitely not very impressed. And they're kind of dreary looking, and I mean, there's one that's not too bad, but they got a lot of funky rules that we don't. They make you take kindergarten twice. That's at the private Catholic school. Regular school will let you take kindergarten one time. Kindergarten one time. Yeah, but I don't see there's a lot of benefit to us in education and development. And after school, Brianna plays with all the kids. Anyway, we take her to the park, and they all let out about 3-ish.
Don't drop. That was fun, huh?
Yeah, they love her, so yeah, she gets to socialize like crazy, and she always has anyway.
Yeah, they all know her over there, so when Brianna's in there, they go, Brianna, come on, let's go play. And there's Bria running all over, go to the slide.
So we've been having fun around here, and if you're interested in the expenses and are worried or concerned about it, just figure like our costs are much higher than most people that I talk to spend per month. So you can spend less and find different kinds of housing. Even apartments you can find for less, but we just like what we have here at Marpaws. We just, it suits us, and all the amenities we like, and the security and the guard, and just everything else. We just like it. It's very pleasant.
Yeah,
everybody's
we
happy
feel
here.
really safe over here too.
Everybody's happy. So then you've got to add, we add about another $700 or $800 a month onto our monthly expenses for food and fooling around. I mean, that could go to $1,000 easy. So we're still right around $1,500 a month for everything USD, but it could easily run $1,700 to $2,000 a month if you want to just do a lot more stuff. Mm-hmm. So yeah, we kind of jumped around this video, but we did get back to it, didn't we? That's the monthly expenses. So I hope it helps. So leave us your comment if you have mothers or fathers out there know about this blinking and this and that from the games that are so politicized and drive these kids crazy now. Our little
Roblox,
children.
oh my God.
Roadblocks. Watch out for roadblocks. It's one of them. And I'm sure there's a lot more that are really not healthy for our children to spend all the time on.
I know, because that game is, when she's playing the game, I saw her, she's really next to the iPad.
Yeah, and you can't be on her with her every second to keep her back. So we just have to just take it from her for a while.
Oh yeah, she's been kind of sad a little bit because I had an iPad.
Yeah, she hasn't had it for a while, right?
Oh yeah, for a week. No iPad for a week.
Yeah, well, it's going to be longer.
It's going to be longer until her eyes is completely
repaired.
Yeah.
Back to normal.
Right now it's really better than before. I feel so guilty when I saw her really blinking. Like, I'm so sad too.
Yeah,
it's not easy watching your kids like that because of the games or the iPad that damage the eyes.
The iPad's really great for all the learning that she's been doing, but she needs to maybe get her a big computer. I mean, not a big, but a larger laptop to learn on, because she can use yours for a lot of that too. Yeah,
before when she's been watching that iPad before too, but once she uploaded a game on that day, her eyes started because she's angry and she's stressed because she wants to win the game. That's what she's doing. Mm-hmm. She wants to be the winner.
So anyway, you guys take care out there. Hope this helps a little bit.
Yeah, I hope this helped.
It wasn't very complicated. Very simple monthly report.
Oh yeah.
All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye. Somebody's coming.
Somebody's coming.
Bye.
Somebody wants to say goodbye.
Bye.
No blinking for you.
Your eyes is feel better now, huh?
Yep.
Yeah,
That's
not
right.
like before that really blinking.
Mm-hmm.
Not anymore.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You're the best mom ever.
Oh, okay, say goodbye. Bye, everybody.